What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hima, and we just saw Ethereum break out its all-time high. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about everything that is Ethereum and should you buy, should you sell, or is this a good time for you to actually, if you haven't got Ethereum in your wallet or in your portfolio, is this a good time for you to jump in? Is it too late? So we're gonna discuss all of this. We're gonna look into the charts, and of course we're gonna read some articles that will help you make a decision when it comes to Ethereum. So let's get to it. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're not so new to the channel, thank you so much for coming in. I hope this video will be useful for you in the coming days. Peace. Okay, so first we'll look into the chart. So I have the Ethereum versus US dollar chart. Of course, this was the previous high that was that had in 2018. You know, Ethereum had a huge bull run, just like Bitcoin. I went to 2000. No, it's actually went to 1,640, 606, and recently we broke that level. We are right now at 1,677 US dollars. So as you can see, we're gonna look into a few things. The first thing is the stochastic indicator is showing an overbought. It's indicating as an overbought item. And the other thing is, if you look carefully, is this cup. So I think it's forming a cup and handle, which is a bullish sign. And the other thing is, if you look closely, the volume is actually increasing, and it is also a good sign. Now personally, this is one confirmation. If a stock or any kind of asset, like could be crypto, could be stocks, could be commodities, if you can see the chart and it's breaking its all-time high, that means it has strong momentum as seen in the stochastics, and it's going on a bull trend. So this is a confirmation. Now two things could happen from here. A, this could actually go up, or B, this could come down a little bit to form the handle, have a small correction, not like a major one but a small one, and then take off again to the moon. If it's to go out, I think it will go to $2,800, maybe 3,000. That's like a psychological mark that I personally think will Ethereum will reach in the coming days or coming months. But as for now, this is the situation. So those two things, it could go either up or it could come down, but the most likely scenario is that it will have a small correction. It will come down to maybe with this support level over here, which is $1,169. This mark is, I think it's a good support level. I think this will come down over here. And if you do a Fibonacci, so this was the March low, which Ethereum was $89. If you had gotten into Ethereum at $89, kudos to you. All right, so this is a Fibonacci retracement, and if it's to come down, this area right here is a good area for it to come down and test the area, of course this area, and then take back off. Now if you're in the long run, of course either of these scenarios aren't that bad. If you want, you can get in right now because it's also like it's a good confirmation. Or if you want, you can wait till it comes down and then buy in this area, which is 1,198 or 1,200 area. Now it's all up to you. I personally have Ethereum. I think I got in here. No, I don't. Yeah, so I think I got in 1,040 or something. Yep, and I'm gonna buy more Ethereum right now in the coming weeks. So because it's the thing, like I don't really care if it comes down or not. I'm looking for long term, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm looking for long term, maybe 5 or 6 years. So for me it doesn't really matter. I know this will go up either way, but again, it's up to you. Either way, it's looking good. If you get in right now, it's not a bad thing, and if you wait till this have a correction, again, it's not a bad thing. So let's go to one more chart, and so the other chart that I want to look into is the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. Of course, this was in August 2020. We have the Bollinger Bands as well, and then the stochastics. So this is also forming a cup and handle. It had this is the handle. Sorry, my drawings aren't the best, but if I'm to do it like this, yeah. So as you can see, this Ethereum recently crossed this top, which was 0.37536 Bitcoin mark, and now it's currently at 0.5 and 0.4 range. So this is also a good thing. If any asset, like I told you, is breaking its all-time high, it's confirmation. So now we have two confirmations. Of course, the Ethereum was US dollar chart just broke its all-time high, and of course Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart also had the similar thing happening to it. So these are really good signs. If you want to get into Ethereum, again, do it. Like I told you, got two options. You can get in right now, okay, you can just wait till it have a correction and then jump in. But I'm not sure what will happen in the future, and if someone is telling you that something is definitely happening, they're lying. So this could either really go up from here, or this might come down a bit and then go up. These two could happen. Again, if you're in the long term, if in the long run, it doesn't really matter. Right now it's a good indicator, a good sign for you to get in. Alright guys, so we looked at two important charts for Ethereum, and I told you that there are two scenarios that will happen in Ethereum. Either it could go up from the current price, or just have a small correction and then go up. Either way, it's looking bullish, it's looking good. So if you want to get in, put a considerable amount in there. So in the charting perspective, in technical analysis, it looks good to my eye, and if you listen to other people, they would say the same. But again, don't put your money, your mortgage money, or your rent money, or your money that you have for food in these assets. Put something that you have saved up, maybe an extra percent. So if you have $1,000, don't put all of it, maybe put $200. Right now, I want to look into the fundamental aspects of crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin as a future, as where this is going, and I think this will be part of our future in the coming years. Right, so the first thing is, of course, Ethereum. Crypto investment firm Grayscale reveals how it values Ethereum. So this whole article is about the intrinsic value of Ethereum as an asset, and of course they have they manage over 4 billion in Ethereum currently, and this goes on saying how they value it and how this will change in the coming days. So Grayscale is a major firm that invests in crypto, not just Ethereum. So they're always saying that good things about Ethereum, and of course, really good article for you to read in depth. I'm not going to bore you with it right now. I'll put the link below so you can have a look at it. And the other thing is Bitcoin, of course, Visa. You guys know the Visa card, the credit cards, or all the cards that we have is run by Visa. And they're saying that Visa is working with Anchorage to allow customers at traditional banks to buy and sell digital assets, and of course trade with crypto. So this is good news for Bitcoin. That means it will push Bitcoin price higher, and whatever is good for Bitcoin will be also good for Ethereum. All right, and I'll put the link to this article as well. So it's looking good so far. And the other thing is, the JP Morgan Chase Bank, a bad bank, really big, massive bank that's been there for so many years. They're actually scaring the crypto price so that it would go down, and they could just buy Ethereum or other crypto assets for a lower price. So Of course, that's also a good sign. That means they're interested in it, and that means that they're looking at where people are, where the money is flowing, and of course crypto is becoming exponentially famous among many people. So this is actually a good thing to consider. One lastly, I would like to point out Bitcoin hits 500,000. The founder and CEO of ARK Invest says. So ARK Invest was one of these. She's Catherine Wood. She's the CEO of ARK Invest. She predicted that Tesla price could rise up to the current levels. Everyone laughed at her, but look where we are right now. So she's saying that Bitcoin would jump up to 500,000 levels if every major S&P 500 company allocates 10% of their cash into cryptocurrency, which could happen in the future. Of course, these companies are major companies like Apple, Alphabet, Tesla and whatnot, and they have so much money. And she's saying that basically if they start buying crypto, including Bitcoin or Ethereum, the prices would actually run up to that level. Of course, specifically Bitcoin. So we know if Bitcoin is going over there, Ethereum is gonna end up somewhere below but higher than right now. So this is all good news for you guys. So again, not a bad time to buy in at Ethereum. Charts look good, fundamental looks good, but of course always have stop losses. We do not know what's going to happen in the future, but with crypto they have higher volatility, so we do not they will have about 30 or 40% drops, but you don't have to be afraid. That's why I told you, don't put all of your money in one thing. If you have $1,000, put 200, all right, and be okay with losing 30 or 40%. It will bounce back, but you will have corrections like that, and you have to be okay with it. And if you do not have a stomach to lose an amount of money like that, you shouldn't be investing or trading in the first place, because markets are volatile, people's sentiments change, people's emotions change. So that's why you have to be very careful. So have a stop loss and don't put your important money, like the money that you have for mortgage or rent or food or in investments like crypto or stocks or anything. But if you have some saved up, put a certain amount in here and just forget about it. It will go up. I'm pretty sure I have crypto assets, so that's what I'm telling you. Yeah, again, I'll put all of these articles over here, and as for charts, you can go and have a look what cup and handle is and what that indicates. So I hope I was helpful in this video. This is a short video. If you find this helpful, and if you're still watching this till last, please hit the subscribe button and that bell notification, because YouTube is shadow banning cryptocurrency related videos. So hit that bell notification so you are notified when I'm releasing a new video. All right guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.